Interactive avatars are replacing chatbots and keeping conversations focused on a specific topic with strict guidelines. Absolutely. Think of me like someone filling in a web form as we talk. I can gather info and store it in a Google Sheet or even trigger events when certain criteria are met.
How much does this cost and how long does it take?
Great question. If you reach out to us on Fiverr, we can talk about your specific needs over Zoom and create a custom quote. To give you an idea, a basic integration with an interactive avatar like me, answering questions based on your content, typically costs around $1,500. However, there are plenty of creative options that can increase the cost, so it's best to discuss what you're looking for first. That's just for our development time, though. HeyGen has an ongoing fee of $49 a month for the instant avatar, like me, and then they charge $100 for 100 minutes of talk time in the form of credits, or tokens, which is outside of our fee. Do you have a specific project in mind or any other questions about how we can help?
I have an idea that I'd like to use this for basically like filtering out different type of inquiries for my website. So like sales inquiries could get filtered to my salespeople, but I'd like to have a record of everything and all the basically the conversations that are happening before it gets to the salesperson. And I'd also like for like a pop-up to happen if somebody wants to have, let's say, like a meeting with me. Is that possible? Like, what type of integrations can I kind of integrate with this system?
We can certainly discuss creating a back-end workflow for you. We call this a triggered event. Think of it as logical steps that if a certain criteria is met, then do something. If you'd like to schedule a Zoom meeting with us to discuss your workflow, all I need is your name and email address, and we'll reach out to you shortly.